Have you ever experienced a rainy season that seemed to never end? Let's journey to Kijani Village, where the rains brought both blessings and challenges, and where faith moved mountains. Kijani Village was a lush, green community nestled in the heart of a fertile valley. The villagers relied on the rains to nourish their crops and fill their rivers. However, one year, the rains were unceasing. Day after day, the skies poured down, flooding the fields and homes, and causing great hardship for the villagers. Despite their prayers and efforts, the rain showed no sign of stopping. Dear viewer, have you ever faced a challenge that seemed insurmountable? In the midst of this relentless rain, a young boy named Eli stood out for his unwavering faith. Eli was known for his deep belief in the power of prayer and his love for Jesus. He often gathered the village children to share stories of faith and miracles from the Bible. As the rains continued, Eli felt a calling to lead his village in a special prayer. Eli decided to organize a village-wide prayer gathering, inviting everyone to join him in asking for divine intervention. He believed that if they came together in faith, their prayers would be heard. The villagers, desperate for relief, agreed to participate. They gathered in the village square, holding hands and lifting their voices in a united plea for the rain to stop. As they prayed, something extraordinary happened. The dark clouds began to part, and a beam of sunlight broke through, illuminating the village. The rain slowly subsided, and the villagers looked up in awe and gratitude. They knew that their prayers had been answered, and their faith had brought them a miracle. From that day forward, the villagers of Kijani held an annual celebration to commemorate the miracle that saved their village. They honored Eli for his faith and leadership, and they continued to gather in prayer, knowing that together, their voices could move mountains. The story of the unending rain and the power of prayer became a cherished tale, passed down through generations. That was the story of Eli and the miracle in Kijani Village, where faith and unity brought an end to the relentless rain. It teaches us the power of belief and the importance of coming together in times of need. Thank you so much for watching. From Bright Baby Adventures on Stories and Fables, and please, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button so when I post more interesting stories, you'll be the first to get them. I really appreciate you. I do not take your support for granted. See you in my next video. Bye bye.